Good morning, everyone. Now we were going to read in the book of First John chapter 1 verse 1 to 5 in Greek language. In verse 1, with the stopwatch. With the stopwatch. Ready, go. Ho en aparkes, ho akiko amen, ho hiorakamen, tois of talmois himon, ho ita samita kai hai chires himon epsilapisan pirito logo thesios. Verse 2. Kai hizui iplani rothi kai hiurakamen kai martiromen kai apangilumen himen ten zuon ten aunion hitis en pros to patira kai ipanerote himen. Verse 3. Ho hiorakamen kai aki ko amen apangilumen kai himin hina kai hi ko inya di hi himitira mata to patros kai mita to hoiho auto liso Kristo. Verse 4. Kai tauta grapomen himiis ina hi cara himon ipifloromine kai istin hauti hi agelia hin akiko amen ap auto kai an angilumen humen huti ho Theos pos isten kai ikutai on auto ok isten odimia 2 minutes.